Alright, it's day 1 million. I'm working on the axle. So now I'm just gonna keep cleaning this thing up and get it ready for paint. And then if you're curious, this is, I guess, is what I'm gonna use. I already have a bunch of it. It's gloss. I don't know if I'm gonna like the gloss, but we're gonna use it. So I'm gonna hit this with a scuff pad. Just kind of scuff it up one more good time. Spray it off with brake clean and kind of clean all the dust off. And then we're just gonna hit it with this. That's good enough. Now I need to drag it outside and get it ready. It's kind of windy. Not a great day to paint, but we're gonna do our best, I guess. What's up, Hank? So it's a little windy out. There's Dank. Alright, that's a pretty good first coat, so we're going to rock with that. We're going to let that kind of tack up for 20 minutes. But I was going to take this up, but I'm just going to do my best to avoid it. It's got to get resprayed and repainted anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, it actually looks pretty good. So I'd probably do a couple more thick coats, and then I got to flip it over. Well, what I probably should have done is flipped it over, did the bottom first, because this is the part you're really going to be able to see, especially the back, you know, if you're looking from behind the truck. But I think it looks pretty good. So we're gonna let this tack up a little bit. I'll do another coat, and then I guess once it's dry, we're gonna try to hang it on the truck.